Yeah, I think the good news from neuroscience is that when your teenager is rebelling or whatever you want to call it, you don't have to take it personally. That is the way it was meant to be. That is because their brain is developing. Although some of them look like they're brain dead, and they look like, zombies, and you're not able to contact them. Others are fighting all the time, and it is a time where we as parents are confronted with not only the results of our spending time and energy with our children, but also simply with the way they develop, as well as they develop their sexuality, which a lot of parents would rather delay for another 30 years. Their brain is developing also, and sometimes it shuts down. So, for instance, a lot of teenagers are not able to foresee the consequences of their actions. And this is not because they're lazy, it's not because they're stupid, it's not because they don't want to think about it, they're simply not able. They lost the ability. Like if you are very stressed, you lose your short-term memory. I told you 5 minutes ago, I know, but I cannot remember that you told me 5 minutes ago. So it's a brain thing, and it should say, closed for renovation for 2, 3, 4 years. Is there anything we can do about it? No. We can try to take care, as adults, we can try to take care of the mental health of ourselves and our children. So we can try not to impose ourselves on them. We can try not to make them wrong or whatever we make them because they are developing. But this idea that the rebellion should be controlled from the outside is, I don't know, it's wishful thinking. It's not really possible, unless you want to exercise and abuse your power, and you will very often find that this kind of families make children, in fact, stupid, which means that it prevents them from developing the parts of their brain that really needs to be developed. So again, how to navigate as a parent is not easy. It's not easy to make decisions and say, how can I do this? We can only do the best we can, and then we can be responsible for the result, whether it is good or bad. Yes. Is that enough for you?
I think so. Thank you very much.